Use honey and cinnamon to lose weight. If you want to lose weight, you can try a variety of things. Some proponents believe that consuming honey and cinnamon twice a day in a tonic can help a person lose as much as 5 pounds in a week. The theory behind the concept is that honey and cinnamon together affect the way the fat is metabolized in the body. Since honey and cinnamon are natural substances, it's worth to give it a try. Here's how to use honey and cinnamon to lose weight. Gather your ingredients. You will need to make a tea drink using honey and cinnamon. You will only need a tablespoon of raw honey. There are a variety of flavors. Choose the one that you like best. You can even try organic honey, which is available at natural health food stores. Also, you will need half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Ground cinnamon is readily available in the spice or baking section of your grocery stores. If you are using a cinnamon stick, you need to grind it first using a microplane or a grater. There are also various types of cinnamon, such as Ceylon cinnamon, cassia cinnamon, and Indonesian cinnamon. Experiment which one gives you the best flavor and result. Finally, you'll need a cup of water. As for your equipment, you'll need a pot where you can boil everything together, as well as 2 heat-safe containers to store the tea. Also, you'll need a strainer such as a cheesecloth or coffee filter to filter the beverage. Boil them together. Over medium heat, place the pot. Add 1 cup of water and allow it to boil. Next, add 1 tablespoon of the honey. Also, add 1/2 teaspoon of the ground cinnamon. Turn off the heat and allow the mixture to steep. Steep the tea. If you won't drink the tea right away, then you need to store it. You can use an insulated mug to keep the heat. You only need to drink half a cup of the tea at a time to get results, although you will need to consume a total of 1 cup during the day. You can choose to store everything in 1 container and simply measure half when you are ready to drink it. The other option is to store it separately so you don't need to worry about measuring the drink. Drink it in the morning. The first half cup of the honey cinnamon tea should be consumed half an hour before you eat your breakfast. Decide if you want to drink it a little warmer instead of your coffee, or you prefer it tepid. As you go about your day, go ahead and eat what you normally consume, but in smaller portions. Try to make healthier food choices and be active. Drink it before going to bed. The second half cup of honey cinnamon tea should be consumed half an hour before you go to sleep. Don't eat anything anymore after you drink the final cup of tea. Combine the honey and cinnamon with a slimming regimen. To accelerate your weight loss, get adequate exercise and choose low-fat and whole-grain food items. Load up on fresh fruits and vegetables and drink a lot of water. Watch your weight loss and see results with the aid of honey and a bit of cinnamon.